Good day, everyone. I am Alea Bernadette B. Santa Cruz, and I am the first reporter of Group 5. So, my topic is all about Misosa, or the Modified In-School Off-School Approach. So, the Modified In-School Off-School Approach is an alternative delivery mode, or ADM, used in the Philippines by the Department of Education to address classroom congestion and other challenges, particularly in public elementary schools. It involves dividing classes into in-school and off-school groups, with the latter learning through self-instructional materials guided by teacher facilitators. So the Misosa, or the Modified In-School Off-School Approach, refers to a strategy used in education where learning activities are designed to take place both inside and outside the traditional school setting. So here's a simple breakdown in-school approach. So in-school approach, learning happens within the classroom or school premises. So activity include lectures, group discussions, lab experiments, classroom projects, and etc. So in off-school approach, learning occurs outside the school environment. This can include field trips, internships, community service, online learning or e-learning platforms, and home assignments or independent research. And let's move on to the next slide, which is the key features of Misosa. First, we have the blended learning. Students split their time between the school and home or community learning environments. So the blended learning, or also known as hybrid learning, is an approach to education that combines online educational materials and opportunities for interaction online with traditional place-based classroom methods. Next, we have the self-paced modules. Learners often use self-instructional materials. So in self-paced learning is a style of instruction in which learners progress through the material at their own speed and on their own schedule. And third, we have the flexible schedule. Not all students are required to be in school at the same time, helping to decongest classrooms. So, in flexible scheduling, it is defined as creative use of the time in the school day in an attempt to match the instructional time and format to the learning needs of students. And fourth, we have the teacher guidance. Teachers act as facilitators, checking in with learners during the scheduled in-school sessions. So in teacher guidance, it is direct or direction and instruction from the teacher to help students understand, navigate, and complete tasks in the classroom rather. So last, we have the community support. Parents and local volunteers help facilitate learning outside school. So the process by which an individual feels, receives, or provides aid to another, often being integrated into society, family, friends, school, working relationships, can provide pro-social responses.
Good day, Ma'am Namia. I'm Angel Sano, the reporter from Group 5, and my report is all about the implementation of Misosa and the benefits of implementing Misosa. So, there is 6 implementation of Misosa. The number 1 is Misosa is designed for grade 4, 5, and 6. This program targets intermediate learners, typically age 9 to 12 in grade 4, 5, and 6. These are critical years in elementary education where students transition from learning basic skills to more complex academic content. Number 2, it is assumed that all pupils are readers. The program is built on the assumption that students in these grades can already read independently. This is important because Misosa uses modules and self-instructional materials which require basic reading skills for students to learn on their own or with minimal assistance. Number 3. Implemented in congested classes regardless of who the children are. Misosa is meant to ease classroom congestion. It is implemented without discrimination, meaning it can be used in any overcrowded class regardless of the students' backgrounds, learning abilities, or other differences. Number 4. Classes are subdivided into groups. To manage the large number of students, the class is split into two groups. This division allows better focus and instruction by reducing the number of students physically present at one time. Number 5. In school group taught by a regular teacher in the classroom. One group stays in the regular classroom and continue with traditional face-to-face teaching under the supervision of a licensed teacher. Number 6. Off-school group by taught by a teacher facilitator in an alternative venue. The second group learns outside the classroom. This could be in a library, community center, or even at home. A teacher facilitator guides them using modules in self-learning activities. The setup encourages independent learning while still providing adult supervision and support. My second report is all about benefits of implementing Misosa. Aside from addressing the issue of congestion, Misosa implementation may also contribute to the following. Number 1. Resolving the issue of shortage of instructional materials. By dividing students into groups and using self-learning modules, the demand for physical teaching materials is reduced. Number 2. Improving classroom management. With fewer students in class, teachers can manage behavior and learning more effectively. Number 3. Promoting equal access and opportunity for learning. Every student gets a chance to learn in a setting that may better suit their pace and style, whether in school or off school. Number 4. Institutionalizing systematic monitoring. Misosa encourages schools to develop a consistent system for tracking student progress in both in school and off-school settings. Number 5. Developing pupil study habits, love for learning and self-esteem. The program encourages independent learning, which builds responsibility, confidence, and motivation among students. Number 6. Attending to the unique needs of individual pupils. Smaller groups allow more personalized attention, helping address the specific needs and learning gaps of each children.
Hello ma'am, my name is Glenn Inoho and my topic is about impact. Impact or instructional management by parents, community, and teachers is an instructional strategy that decentralizes education delivery by actively involving parents, community members, and teachers in managing and facilitating instruction. It emphasizes shared responsibility for education. So, impact means shared responsibility for student learning among teachers, parents, and community, creating a collaborative and more holistic educational approach. And these are the key features of impact. Peer teaching. Advanced learners, often called peer tutors or student leaders, help teach fellow students. So this means that students help their fellow students on that specific topic or subject to boost their understanding. So number 2, parent involvement. Parents assist in supervising of school activities and sometimes co-manage learning materials. This means that parents are helping their children on doing their assignments and other activities. And number 3, community participation. Community members may offer local knowledge, support, or venues for learning. This means that community are helping the teachers to provide good quality of education by providing venues for teaching and others support. And team teaching. Teachers plan and supervise while relying on structured materials that can be used by learners independently or with the help of non-teaching adults. And number 5, use of learning modules like Misosa or modular instruction is a core element. And that's my report. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shane Agting. So let's discuss about the key participants in Impact. Parents play a vital role in their children's education by supporting learning at home, encouraging and assisting with homework, projects, and reading, creating a positive environment, providing a conducive study space and promoting a growth mindset, communicating with teachers, staying informed about their child's progress, asking questions, and collaborating with teachers. By doing so, parents can help their children achieve academic success, build confidence, and develop a love for learning. Second is the community. Community can support education in various ways, such as mentorship programs. Local professionals can mentor students, providing guidance and industry insights. Guest speakers, community members can share their expertise and experiences with students. Internships and job shadowing. Businesses can offer hands-on learning experiences for students. Resource donations. Organizations can donate materials, equipment, or funds to support educational initiatives. Volunteer opportunities. Community members can volunteer in classrooms, libraries, or other educational settings. Third is the teacher. Teacher plays a crucial role as a facilitator. Teachers guide students in their learning journey, providing support and direction. Parent-teachers partnership. Teachers work with parents to ensure students receive consistent support and guidance. Learning manager or lesson planning. Teachers plan and implement engaging lessons that cater to diverse learning needs. Role model. Inspiring students. Teacher inspire and motivate students to reach their full potential. So let's proceed to the benefits of Impact. The Impact approach, which involves instructional management by parents, community, and teachers, offers several benefits, including improved student outcomes. Collaborative efforts can lead to better academic performance, increase motivation, and enhance overall well-being. Increase parental engagement. Parents become more involved in their child's education, fostering a stronger home-school connection. Community support. Local resources and expertise are leveraged to support educational initiatives, enriching the learning experience. Teacher support. Teachers benefit from shared resources, expertise, and collaboration, leading to more effective instructions. By working together, parents, community members, and teachers can create a supportive and enriching educational environment that benefits students and the community as a whole. Let's move on to our summary. ISOSA, or In-School of School approach, connects learning experiences both in school and out of school, integrating classroom learning with real-world experiences. It aims to enhance student engagement, motivation, and practical application of knowledge. Impact or instructional management by parents, community, and teachers, is a collaborative approach to education that involves stakeholders working together to improve student learning outcomes. It promotes parental engagement, community support, teacher collaboration, and holistic education. So both Misosa and Impact focus on creating a more comprehensive and supportive learning environment through different approaches. So that's the end of our discussion. Thank you so much.